Once again, welcome back to Crypto Tutorial. On today's video, I would like to talk about ZRX. But firstly, if you liked the previous content, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like behind. So just start right away. I wanted to show you the ZRX compared to US dollar chart on the 4-hourly time frame. And what I wanted to show you is that this major level, what we're seeing here, where I will be drawing an orange box, is a level of major resistance and support. This was a level where we have seen multiple times support and resistance being created on top of underneath it. So this is just absolutely marvelous that we were staying above of this level, and that is why I think this level is of utmost importance. But what we are seeing is we had a parabolic run up towards the upside. After that, we stayed for a while trading above this level of support, and right now we broke through this level of support and we are trading underneath the level of support and resistance. And yeah, that is not such a great news, especially because if you take a look at it, we don't have that much support and resistance where we are currently trading at, and that's especially why I will be placing right away a Fibonacci retracement to take a look at about how it probably will be. And right now I selected the swing low towards the swing high to take a look at the overall uptrend and at the overall market. And what we are seeing over here is that we found support on the 0.618 Fibonacci level at approximately $1.10, and I think this is just wonderful news that we did not went all the way down to 0.786 Fibonacci level at approximately $0.75, because right now the ZRX chart has a possibility to recover and go once again back up, break through this level of resistance and get inside of the orange box and trade inside of the orange box just for a while, because before even heading further during the upcoming weeks. So ZRX for me, it is looking like quite a big setback, especially because you could be saying that it will be breaking even further down below. But what I personally think is that right now, because we find support on top of this Fibonacci level, that we would be seeing a reversal being created right over here on the ZRX chart by creating a W pattern. And after that, if it breaks above this neckline that I will be drawing right away, we could be seeing a potential move towards the upside, and that move would be giving ZRX enough strength to break through this level of upper resistance at approximately $1.31 and trade inside of the orange box for a while. And that is personally what I'm waiting for. And just to take a look at the MACD, what we are seeing right now is that we had a crossover on the MACD, and when a MACD crossover happens, we see a momentum switch most of the time being created. And what we are seeing over here right now is that it could be very possible and very likely that we will see a momentum switch towards the upside being created. And if we see momentum switch towards the upside, this will be a huge momentum just for a while. And I think that this in particular just very, very important for ZRX to be able to maybe right now go just a little tad further down, and after that breaking all the way up above the neckline of this W pattern and have enough strength to break up inside of the orange box. And I will be backing this theory up by also showing you the potential move towards the upside if ZRX actually has a W pattern being created, and that would be a possible move towards the upside of approximately, let's take a quick look just by the measurement, 16%, or actually 17%, and that would be absolutely amazing for ZRX. So that is where I'm personally looking at right now, to have enough strength to get back inside of the orange box where we are finding right now current overhead resistance. Let's take a look at the daily time, and what we are seeing over here is something as well very important, is that we are finding support on the same Fibonacci level, of course, but I will be enabling the moving averages to take a look at this, and this is for me of utmost importance. The 200-day moving average is actually right now serving as a resistance just above the level where we are currently trading at. And the 200-day moving average is a moving average that has a lot of significance, and therefore will also serve as a big level of resistance where we have to trade above before heading even further. So this could be compared as well to the neckline what we were seeing, where we actually have to get above before heading even further. And on the daily time frame, I would like to enable the MACD as well. And right over here, what we are seeing is that we haven't seen a crossover on the MACD yet, and this would mean that a possible momentum towards the upside is still coming during the upcoming days. And if this happens, a huge momentum towards the upside could be created, and that could give ZRX enough momentum to break above the 200-day moving average, find support right on top of it, and after that re-entering these orange box. So that is just right now what I wanted to show you on the daily time frame. I will be heading right away towards the Bitcoin chart, but before doing so, I would like to just tell you that if you are liking this content so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below on the description section. Even hit that bell notification if you would like to stay up to date. And also, if you are interested in leverage trading or even trading with crypto at all, down below on the top 3 leverage trading exchanges, you will find several links that you are able to use to earn up to $2,000 deposit bonus on Femex. And even if you're already on existing clients, you will be able to earn up to $2,000 by depositing a certain amount onto your Femex account. So that is just for sure something you don't want to miss out on. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button as well. And I will be heading right away back to the ZRX compared to Bitcoin chart. And what we are currently seeing right over here is that on the compared to Bitcoin chart, we are not seeing such a huge setback actually. Because if I draw this trend line all the way from here to here, like this, we are already seeing 2 touch points on the ascending support line, 1 touch point at the beginning and a second touch point made in the middle. And this is still a really not very significant upward sloping support and resistance line, but I still think it will be of utmost importance for ZRX to get above this upward sloping resistance, find support on top of it before heading even further up, especially because this would mean that we will be right back inside of the uptrend compared to Bitcoin. And that is for me something in particular what I think is of utmost importance. And what I will be enabling as well to take a look at is the relative strength index that is showing us that is right now right in the middle of the purple section. And we are not seeing any type of bullish or bearish divergence getting formed. So right now on the RSI, we're not seeing any significant movement at all. But what we are seeing is that the RSI is right in the middle. So this could mean that we will see momentum towards the upside. And after we cross over the dotted line on the upper part on the RSI, that is when you have to brace yourself to once again see action towards the downside being created. But right now this looks actually just fine, so I won't be looking at it even more. I will be enabling the MACD, and what we are seeing here is that a crossover actually just happened on the MACD. This will be leading for a potential downward momentum being created, and that could be right now very, very interesting, because if we are not able to get above this upward sloping resistance line and find support on top of it and just get rejected by it, we could be heading even further down on the ZRX chart. So that is something I wanted to let you know for sure. This is just a short video about ZRX. I really hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would highly appreciate it. And also, I would like to wish you a pleasant day. Goodbye.